artist to Kimiko Arts. Today, we are going to learn how to draw a Pikachu, arguably one of the most well-known Pokemon in the entire universe. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this one. For this activity, you will need a pencil for all the basic shapes. I always have two ready in case one breaks, a black marker for outlining our final drawing, and an eraser to get rid of all the rough lines we made to give our artwork an extra professional look.
So to begin with, we are going to start with Pikachu's head, which we are going to draw a circle. We're going to go around and around. Then we're going to add the basic shape for his body, which is kind of an egg shape that comes out at the bottom like this. Now, after we have that complete, we are going to add his ears. So his ears are really long and pointed, and to draw them, you're just going to draw an ellipse shape. So two ellipse shapes at the top, and then you are going to draw the basic shape for his eyes. So two circles, a tiny circle inside, and then we can add one more too. And then you're going to add a little tiny oval for his nose, and then two curved lines, almost like a smile line going out to the side. And then, because Pikachu is such a happy guy, we're gonna add a curve shape going down as well, and then a curve shape for his tongue. So after that, we are going to change the shape of his head a little bit. Now, I used a lot of pencil lines for his head. So I'm just going to erase some of them so it's easier to see. And I'm going to add a line, a curved line at the top of his head. And then this is where it gets a bit tricky. So you're going to go down the side of Pikachu's head, but you're going to come out a little bit to the side and then back in. And you're going to do that on the other side as well. You're going to come out and then in. Now on Pikachu's ears, he also has two lines going down the side. So after I've that, I'm going to add two rosy cheeks. And then I'm going to add an oval shape for his arm. And his other arm is actually going to be coming out to the side because he's going to be waving. So I'm going to add a curved line and then another curved line. And then for his claws, I'm just going to add a zigzag line like that. And I'm going to add a zigzag line over here as well for those fingers or paws. So after that, what I'm going to do is just go over the lines that I made, erase some of the lines that I'm not really using so that I don't get confused. And I'm going to add some feet. So for Pikachu's feet, we're going to break them into a basic shape like this. And then for his other foot, it's like the same thing on the other side. So after we have that, we can add more detail to his toes. So we're gonna add one toe, two toes, three toes. And then a curved line for the bottom of his body. And then for his other foot, same thing, we're gonna add one toe, two toes, and three toes. And last but not least, we are gonna add his tail. So for his tail, I'm gonna use a zigzag line. It's gonna go down, up, and then over. And I'm just gonna make it a little bit wider. And build lines going around it. And you may go back in, see where you might want to make little adjustments. Like I might want to make Pikachu's hand or arm a little bit longer, or maybe some of his ears a little bit more narrow. But then you're going to outline all the basic shapes to get a really cool looking Pikachu.
To erase all my pencil lines to reveal an adorable Pikachu. Now that I'm done erasing, I can use my marker to touch up a few areas here and there. Now you can have a little bit of fun and color in your drawing with marker, pencil crayons, or if you're extra daring, paint. This will make your Pikachu look extra animated and really stand out. There you have it. an astounding Pikachu. The Pokemon we grew up with, the Pokemon we need, and the Pokemon we deserve. This yellow, rodent-like creature with the unique ability of static is ready to cause paralysis and win a battle. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment below. Thank you for joining me. Remember to be yourself, have fun, and to keep drawing. Until next time.